guys, today I will show you how you can get your old car horn, chrome horn, looking brand new like this one. I already cleaned this one up to see if it will work, and you can see it did. So this is what you need. This is what I do for really getting it nice and shiny. But if you don't have that, what you need is aluminum foil, apple cider vinegar, Dawn soap to scrub hair, and a brush. Alright, let's get some Dawn soap onto there. That should be good. Maybe around the edges. Turn on the water and scrub away. The car that I'm using is a 1964 Sunliner, Galaxy Sunliner. And yeah, I'll link to the description below if you want to know what that is. But let's go get this all cleaned up. Alright, as you can see, they're not the same ones. Not blue. This has power steering. This has power steering. This don't. Next, you want to dry it. So, sorry that I don't have a tripod. I'm broke. Oh yeah. See, this has a little bit of scratching, but that won't hurt. Oh, that made it worse. Now you did that. You go grab your aluminum foil, pull it up, out, and break. Want to crumple it up. Get your vinegar. And just pour it on. Dip. And just scrub away. You see? It's getting better. Like I said, I'm going to go use that as an after thing to make it extra shiny. I'm going to go try find that in Walmart. All of these stuff and put them links in description. So you guys can have them too. But let's go dry it off. Okay, drying off. Dang. Look how shiny that is. I know. I think I'm going to use the other one because, yeah, look at this. It's all scratched up. Here's the other one, so I'm not tricking you. Power steering one. This ain't capping, guys. This ain't capping. There. Grab it again. I'll get back to you guys halfway through. Your aluminum foil might get all worn out, so just feel free to uncrumple it and recrumple it so it's nice and hard again. Okay, ready to dry off. Miss a spot, but guys, doesn't this look brand new or what? Looks even better in person than on video. Let me turn off my flashlight. Yeah, I don't really do much, but it's shiny. Shinier than this one. Okay, now I'm gonna use this stuff. I forgot what it's called, but I'm going to use it to make it extra shinier. You don't have to do this, guys. I am doing this because I'm making it extra shinier. Well, like... Okay, once you got all shiny, let it sit for a few minutes, then you take it off. Alright, I let it sit for like 5 minutes. Wow. See? Extra shiny. Whoops. Extra shiny, guys. Once again, I'll try to find a link for that in the description. If I don't, I'll find a cheaper version. Because, yeah, I want this to be nice and cheap for you guys. Because this shouldn't be that expensive. I'll go clean up. If it wasn't recording, wow, look at this. It looks brand new, guys. If you guys think so too, please leave a like down and comment down below if you thought this was helpful. And also, if you guys want to see more tutorial videos or other videos that I made, please subscribe, guys. I really help a lot. I'm going to make a goal for this year, 100. Let's try to get 150 subscribers by the end of this year, guys. So, guys, this looks amazing now.